Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make wool roll bread filled with Nutella. I had to give these a try since I've been seeing it everywhere. The good news is, these rolls taste as good as they look. To get started, warm up 120 grams of milk. To that, add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Give it a stir and let sit for 5 minutes until the yeast has activated. Add 260 grams of flour to your mixing bowl, along with 30 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, and the yeast mixture. Using the dough hook attachment, mix the dough for 5 minutes. Now add 28 grams of softened butter. Mix for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the dough is smooth and elastic. Form the dough into a ball. Spray a bowl with cooking oil, then add the dough and cover. Let rise for 1 hour or until doubled in size. Once doubled, take the dough out onto a clean surface and knead to let the air out. Divide into 5 pieces. I weighed mine to ensure they're equal, but you can do it by eye. It doesn't have to be perfect. Form each piece into a ball and cover with a cloth or saran wrap so the dough doesn't dry out. Let sit for 10 minutes before the next step to let the gluten relax. Now roll each ball into a thin rectangle shape around 10 inches long. Cut thin slits into the dough on one side using a bench scraper. You can make a slight dent on the dough to use as a guide. On the other end, add 1 tablespoon of Nutella and smooth with an offset spatula, leaving about 1/4 inch of the edges clean. Fold the edge over the Nutella from all 3 sides. This will ensure the filling doesn't leak. Roll up the dough starting from the filling to the strips. When you get to the strips, seal the filling side by pressing the edge down with 1 finger. Repeat with the other 4 dough balls. Spray an 8-inch cake pan with cooking spray and lay each roll around the perimeter of the pan. Cover and let rest at room temperature for 1 hour or until doubled in size. Once doubled, brush the tops with milk. Then bake in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes or until golden brown. Brush the rolls with butter while it's still warm. This will add extra flavor and shine. Once cooled, plop onto a plate. And that's it! Your rolls should be extremely fluffy and soft. The shape and filling remind me of croissants, but without all the extra work. You can fill these rolls with a lot of different things, but you can't go wrong with Nutella. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!